Blogging for beginners. Hey y'all, I'm Nika. I'm excited to help you get started on creating your first blog post. First, I want to tell you a little bit about me and how I got started in blogging. I started blogging in 2018. My passion for website design led me to create a blog. Initially, I wanted to learn how to use WordPress to branch into website designing on a professional level. In order to learn, I needed to create a website, but I had no idea what I wanted to do, what I wanted to blog about. It wasn't until the frequent questions of what's a good date night spot or happy hour spot, or what did you do when you traveled to X, Y, and Z that I realized what I should do. Now I have a platform where I can share various things that I love. I'm going to show you how to turn your passion into a website. Here are the course modules. Pick a blog name, purchase a domain name, hosting your blog, customize your blog, create and publish your first blog post, promote your blog, monetize your blog. Here are some blogging statistics. The blogging industry takes up 1/3 of the web. Blogs are the second most common form of media used in content marketing. There are 31.7 million bloggers in the US alone. 77% of the internet users read blogs. Almost half of all internet users take the opinions of bloggers and vloggers into account. The average base pay for a blogger is $52,000 per year. Food and personal finance blogs averages about 9,000 per month. Lifestyle and mommy blogs are the third and fourth highest earning blog niches. Pro bloggers make about 42% of their income from affiliates and 33% from ads. 56% of people have bought something from a company after reading their blog. 88% of people have bought a product or service after watching a video. 89% of marketers use blogs in their content strategy. Are you ready to change your life? Learn all the tricks I use to launch, market, and grow my blog. This course will teach you step by step how to create your first blog. This guide will apply to you regardless of what industry you are in. Do you have to follow each step or provider I suggest to be successful? No, you can choose what fits you best. I'm sharing what worked for me. It's all up to you, and that's the best part.